Did you know? In Microsoft Word, there is a cool editor feature which allows you to check your basic grammar and spelling. And additionally, with the Microsoft 365 subscription, the editor feature allows or offers advanced grammar and style refinements like clarity, conciseness, formality, vocabulary suggestions, and much, much more. And this is the way to access the editor feature in Microsoft Word. Before I continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So I've got a document open up here and I've copied and pasted this information from bbc.co.uk. Obviously, plagiarism is a big no-no. So what you need to do is maybe highlight the document, go to the Home tab at the top in the ribbon, scroll to the right side, and you will see this editor feature here. Click on Editor. It will open up a new pane here on the right side. Oh, let me just sort that out. Now, this editor pane on the right side will give you a score. Obviously, at the moment I've got 100 words. It will score your writing based on your spelling, your grammar, clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, punctuation conventions, resume, vocabulary here. And it's also got a similarity checker here which checks your content on the internet for similarity, and you want to check this out if it's reviewed the similarity, and also it'll give you some insights. If you click on it, it will tell you, calculating some stats for you. Let me click OK to see what happens, and it will give some readability statistics here about your actual content which you have written. And also, if you want to give some feedback to Microsoft, tell them what you think of the editor, you can choose that. But if you scroll up here in this pane again, you can change your content from formal to professional to casual. So if I change it there to formal, it will come back now with some other suggestions for you in refinements here in terms of clarity. Click on that and it will highlight or underline the bits or the sentences or the phrases which it thinks you may need to revisit and change, because in terms of the way it's written, in terms of clarity, it can be written in a better way. So I would strongly suggest playing around with this editor feature, see what you can do with it, and it might help you, especially if you're writing a long document or maybe an essay or maybe an assignment. This will allow you to be more professional, allow you to write formally or maybe even casually, but it will check your spelling and grammar, but also it will check for clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, punctuation conventions. It will check all that, resume and vocabulary, and it will also check your work for similarity against what's on the net. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share. Please check out this editor feature. It works only with Microsoft Word 365.